Hello, Virgo. December brings an interesting and transformative energy to your life with several planets in retrograde. Mercury, your ruling planet, is in retrograde in your seventh house of partnerships, which means it is a time to reflect on your relationships, both personal and professional. With Mars also in retrograde in your eighth house, you may feel some emotional turbulence or find yourself revisiting old issues related to intimacy and shared resources. But don't worry, this time of reflection will help you clear the way for a more stable future. Let's dive into the details. Finances could feel a little unsettled at the beginning of the month. Mercury retrograde in your seventh house of partnerships might bring delays or misunderstandings in your financial dealings with others, such as business partners, clients, or family members. There could be a need to revisit agreements or financial plans. However, as the month progresses, Venus in Capricorn helps you stabilize your financial situation, particularly in areas related to career and long-term investments. It is a good time to reassess your financial goals and ensure everything is aligned for the future. Career wise, December may feel like a period of reflection and reassessment. With Mars retrograde in your eighth house, you may find yourself reconsidering your approach to shared resources, investments, or power dynamics in the workplace. There could be delays or obstacles in achieving your professional goals, but this is a great time to rethink strategies and review past decisions. Mercury retrograde in your seventh house could cause misunderstandings or delays in partnerships or collaborations. If you've been working on joint projects, now is the time to double check everything and ensure clear communication. By the end of the month, Venus will bring a sense of stability and growth to your career sector, allowing you to refocus on your long term goals. Relationships will be a focal point for you this month, as Mercury retrograde in your seventh house invites you to revisit old relationship patterns. If you're in a committed relationship, misunderstandings or unresolved issues could arise, urging you to communicate more openly. Mars retrograde in your eighth house adds a layer of emotional complexity, making it a time to reflect on intimacy and trust within your relationships. Whether single or in a relationship, this is an opportunity to dig deeper into your emotional needs and address any lingering insecurities or fears. Venus in Capricorn later in the month helps bring a more stable and grounded energy to your love life, creating opportunities for deeper connection and understanding. Travel plans may need some adjustments this month. Mars retrograde in your eighth house could bring delays or complications, particularly if you're traveling for business, investments, or educational purposes. Make sure your plans are flexible and double check travel details to avoid any last minute changes. Mercury retrograde in your seventh house suggests that there might be communication issues while traveling or with travel companions, so keep your expectations realistic and stay patient. On a positive note, Venus in Capricorn later in the month could bring more favorable outcomes for work related travel or long distance connections. For students, December could bring a time of reassessment. Mercury retrograde in your seventh house suggests that you may need to revisit old academic work or clear up any misunderstandings with teachers or classmates. There might also be a chance to reassess your educational goals or course of study. If you've been considering a change in direction or pursuing a new subject, this may be the perfect time to reflect and plan for the future. Mars retrograde in your eighth house could indicate that you may feel less motivated or experience obstacles in your educational journey. However, the reflective energy is ideal for refining your studies and aligning them with your long term goals. This month, it is essential to take care of your mental and emotional health. Mercury retrograde in your seventh house can create a lot of mental noise, especially related to relationships, and Mars retrograde in your eighth house could make you feel emotionally drained. It is crucial to take a step back, avoid unnecessary stress, and focus on self care. Revisit your health routines and make adjustments where necessary. If you've been neglecting your physical well being, now is the time to get back on track. Venus in Capricorn later in the month will help you adopt more disciplined health habits, especially those that align with your long term well being. This month's retrograde may stir up some emotional challenges, especially when it comes to your inner peace. With Mars retrograde in your eighth house, unresolved emotions or fears may come to the surface, requiring you to confront them head on. Mercury retrograde in your seventh house also points to possible misunderstandings or conflicts with others that could weigh on your mind. Take this opportunity to reflect on your emotional state, seeking clarity, and work through any lingering issues. Meditation, journaling, or engaging in spiritual practices can help you regain a sense of balance. Later in the month, Venus will bring a calming energy to your mental health, allowing you to focus on healing and restoring your inner peace. December is a month for deep reflection, particularly in relationships, career, and personal growth. The retrogrades may slow things down, but they offer an opportunity to reassess your path and make necessary adjustments. Use this time to heal, reflect, and prepare for the future. By the end of the month, Venus will bring a sense of stability and growth, allowing you to move forward with more clarity and confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. I am your astrologer N Baksh. We'll meet in the next video.